Today we are going to use PyAutoGUI to draw a heart in Paint. So firstly we need to install the package. Open the CMD and use the pip install. I have already installed it before, so after the installation we can test it. Import PyAutoGUI and we can print the screen size. Now here are some main functions we're gonna use later. First one is move to. X, Y, and the duration is 1 second. This gonna move the mouse to the destination position directly. Next one, move relatively. It will move the mouse from the current position about XY distance. And drag to. The last one is drag relatively. We start the mouse from here. Okay, so how do we draw the heart? If we draw a square and then we draw a circle with the middle of this side as its center, and another circle here. So the outer line is a simple heart, and then we rotate it 45 degree, minus 45. So when we draw the heart, we start from this point, one line, second line, and two semicircles. Now we can write the code. Import PyAutoGUI. Firstly, we move the mouse to the start point. And then draw the first line, which is drag relatively to lower right. And the second line drag to upper right. Okay, we can run and see the result. Next are the semicircles. We know that the coordinates of the point on a circle can be represented by sine and cosine of the angle theta. So x1 is the radius times by cosine, and y is radius times by sine theta. We can also use this angle rotate clockwise from positive y-axis. Then x1 becomes to sine and y1 is cosine. And because the screen coordinates are like this is x positive and y positive points down. So the circle is drawing like in this way. Now we're back to our hut. The mouse ended at here xy, and from this point we start drawing the semicircle. The center of the circle is at the middle of this side. Because we went for 100 and 100, so the center's coordinates are this x minus 50 and y minus 50. We will use the absolute coordinates. The radius is 50 times square root of 2. And the angle is here from 45 degree rotating 180 degree. The second one is similar. The center is from this x minus 1 more 100, and the angle is from 135 to 135 plus 180. Alright, now we write the code remained. We get the current position of mouse. And calculate the center. the videos. You need to import the math package. And we draw it in the loop. Drag to the absolute coordinates. This is the center plus and because the sine and cosine are using radians, so here we need to convert the angle to radian. And the second one is from 135 degree. The center position. Alright, this is done. We can choose the pen and run the code. Alright, we've drawn the heart. Thanks for watching and see you. Bye.